Unwittingly, you may put in with a permanent marker something on a whiteboard. Things like that happen everywhere around once in a while, whether you want it or not. Once you realize that you don't want this permanent put in, grab a dry erase marker designed to be used on a whiteboard. Trace the permanent put in with the dry erase marker, amplifying the sign. Make it bold. And wipe the whiteboard or whatever glass solid smooth surface the permanent put in was on with dry cloth, napkin or paper towel. Have fun and happy put in!